This is Panasonic PABX, and here is the jack. This is the intercom for communication. So we have these are the section. Can you see it? Go up, come closer. These are the section. Come. Okay. This jack 17, jack 18, jack 19, jack 20, 21. Likewise here. So we are going to carry out an extension. This is jack 16, and we also have this CO1. This is an existing intercom, but some of them are not working. We have a CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5, CO6. These are for port extension. Okay, so now we are going to ring. I'm going to call. We are drawing an extension to other location. Okay, let me use 116 for instance. For 116. Okay, this is 116. We are going to use this as 116. I'm going to remove it. 116. This is 116. So right now I'm going to plug these extensions. I'm going to put it to 116. 116. 116. This 116 is going to workshop. It's going to workshop. Can you pause? Okay. So this calls this ROG 11 is bad. It's broken. It's broken. You can see. And there is no here. So it's not working. So you have to replace. I'm also going to teach you how to prepare this cable. Okay. We are putting it online. Okay. This is, you can see, line. Plugging into the PABX. Let's know if this extension that I'm using. This is 24 port extension, so I'm putting it extension 16. This extension 16. Okay. Okay, it's working. You can see. It shows that it's working. Can you see? So I'm going to ring from my. I'm going to ring reception. Reception is 101. Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Is it clear? Okay, I'm going to drop this line. You will call 116 for me. 116. Okay, thank you. You can see it's ringing. So okay, thank you. Hello. Okay, thank you. So you can see it's ringing. So now we have identified this port 16. This port 16116 is in order. And I'm going to terminate this cable. This is 10 pairs cable. Don't worry. Let me get the head myself. This is 10 pairs cable. So we are going to identify. We are going to use this 10 pairs. This 10 pairs cable. We are going to terminate, socket it in this jack box. This is a connection box. Then from this connection box, we are going to terminate it to port 16. Okay. For now, we are going to terminate. We have identified our port 116 that is working. So we are going to address it. Thank you. Just follow us. I will also make video on termination, on how to terminate ROJ11 and ROJ25. Follow. I will also tell you how to configure this PABX to service provider, to internet service provider. So you can also use to make call or every other thing when you are using an IP Panasonic phone. Thank you.